Today is another day. What are we doing today? Not this, but that. I'll show you what we'll be doing today for Mark's 2017 STI. Well, first, as you can see, look who's back in the garage, Mr. Aggressive STI himself. Actually, no, he's right here. Hi. Today we're just gonna go install a Beatrush pitch top mount on his STI. Long awaited. This was actually waiting for this project, but I won't do a full install video. I'll just keep it short. Let's get at it. So I got the intercooler out of the car, and we all know, as for our STI builds, and if you own an STI, you know how much of a pain the intercooler, the top mount intercooler is to. Not too bad taking it out, but putting that back in is the part where we start cussing at it. But I do have it out, so now we can actually access the pitch stop. Put that Beatrush on, and actually have the intercooler right here. So I'm gonna clean that up. But first, install the pitch stop mount. Everything should be hunky-dory. By the way, if you're wondering why I didn't do like a full uninstall, or taking out all the bolts and whatnot, there's a lot of videos on YouTube to show you how to take out a pitch stop mount. So I didn't want to do a full installation video just to show what we was up to. Yeah, if you need some info, hit up YouTube. Alright guys, so I got the OEM pitch stop mount out of the car, and I'm guessing one of the reasons why we change it out is because we're trying to get rid of the slop and movement in the bushings in the pitch stop mount. So as you can see, there's some play in there. The backside not too much. It's pretty solid, but it's still sitting on this soft rubber. Whereas I have the Beatrush one, and this one is a solid polyurethane bushing where there is no play at all. I think this is why a lot of us change it out, so it will manage the slop and the rocking of the mount of the motor. But this is the Beatrush one. This is the back side. Sorry, trying to get the into frame. And there's a Beatrush. That's our OEM one. This is actually plastic too, so I'm pretty sure it flexes in the motor when you're driving. I mean, I can't flex it now, but compared to a aluminum one, which is like solid, I can break my finger with it. I don't want to do that. But yeah, OE Beatrush. When this goes in, it's gonna make it more solid, and hence it is gonna cause more NVH in the car. You're gonna hear the gear whine a little bit better. When I installed the Cusco one in my STI, man, the gear whine, I tell you, became more audible. Well, let's install this real quick. So I got the Beatrush pitch stop mount in. As you can see, it's sitting there nice and pretty. I like that gold color, it's real nice. But it's finally in. If you want to know the torque specs for the bolts, for the firewall side, it's about 43 foot-pounds, so round it off to 45. And the motor side is about 37, round it off about to 40 foot-pounds. So you want to make sure they're torqued down, otherwise the next time you take out the bolts, you might strip it out or whatnot. Sorry about that. But it is in the car now. All we have to do is just install the intercooler, which is the most time-consuming part. It's not for the weak of heart. I'm gonna struggle. I'm not gonna show you, but we'll knock it out and probably go for a drive. Alright guys, so I got the intercooler back installed on the vehicle. It was funny because it only took me less than 5 minutes and everything just went back into place. So I'm gonna go out on a little drive and test the pit stop. But just wanted to let you guys know, I also installed a Beatrush shift linkage bushing on Mark's STI. So I'm gonna go find out how that rolls too. I didn't make a video because it was allotted for time, but yeah, I'm going to take a test drive now and I'll get back to you guys. Alright everyone, I just wanted to let you know that the SUBI online shop is finally up. Since you made it this far into the video, I would like to give you a 10% off coupon code. Yes, you heard it. Type in SHRMS808 to get your 10% off while purchasing SUBI products. Once again, it's subihihawaii.com. Go ahead, use the promo code SHRMS808. No scare 'em, go get 'em. Alright guys, we're here in the car, in Mark's car actually. We're gonna go out on a test drive and test out the Beatrush products. We got Mark here, can't see his face, but he's hiding somewhere over there. And then we got Randy in the back seat. This side, Randy. Alright, so just getting out of the driveway, you can already notice the NVH. Oh yeah, it is loud. Alright, so I don't know if the phone will pick this up, but there is a lot of NVH coming out of the car. You can actually hear the gear whine and all that, and my phone is falling. Oh yeah, that gear whine is loud. Shifting for the Beatrush shift linkage bushing actually makes the shifting easier. I don't know, it just makes sense there, but it feels better. Let's give it some beans if we have space. The shifting sounds better too. I mean, feels better from the last time I drove your car. It feels off. What? Sorry folks, this whole time I had it in I mode. Let me get a redo. Hang on, let's switch it up. I was wondering, it's not picking up as fast as I hope. And then I look down, it says I. Oh shit! It's in intelligent mode. But definitely you can hear the NVH more. You can hear a lot of gear whine. And I don't know if it's me, but it feels more positive. So let's put it into sport sharp. Give it some beans. Have you ever driven it in? Can't already tell. I think we went shift. Now it feels better. Now it feels torquey. Oh, this guy. Much better. Look, now it's picking up faster. I can only go like 60. You
can hear it more too.
You can hear it more, yeah. Sounds nice. Alright guys, there you have it. Went out on a little drive. Installed the Beatrush pitch stop mount for Mark's STI. So basically we're just chilling. As I walk to my car, you see Randy. Hi Randy. Hi Mark. So we're just chilling. Look at my car. Looks like crap.
Look like the sexy Sudi with the chasing J's.
No, it doesn't.
It's nicer than mine.
Nicer than Mark's.
Stop judging. Anywho, that was it. It wasn't an install video. I just wanted to do a quick video for that Beatrush pitch stop mount, just to show you how it actually gets installed under the intercooler, which is kind of a pain sometimes. But if you like this video, go ahead, give it a like. Go ahead, comment if you got things to say. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. As we all say, peace. and aloha.